So in this video, we will learn how to upload Parsio attachment files to pCloud. Now suppose guys you have forwarded all of your mails on your email address to your Parsio email address so that you can access the attachment files on your email which you get. But you also want to upload those attachment files to your pCloud storage. Now you guys completely automate this process. So the trigger of this automation will be receiving a new mail on our pCloud email with attachments. And the action will be uploading of those attachment files in our pCloud account. ये कट कर दो, पारसी बोलना.
So first of all, we will go to a browser and search for pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I will sign into my own Pabbly Connect account. And after signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here, we just have to click on Access Now below Pabbly Connect. And after this, we can see that we have reached to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. In this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Parsio to pCloud. Parsio to pCloud and click on Create. Now guys, we can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is first we are going to connect Parsio with Pabbly Connect. So suppose guys you have forwarded all of your emails from your email address to Parsio email address, the email address which we get on Parsio. So you have forwarded all of those emails to that email address. Now guys, what we are going to do, we are going to connect our Parsio account with Pabbly Connect. Then after that, we will send a test mail, a dummy mail to our Parsio email or our email address to whose email we have forwarded to our Parsio account. And after that, we will see the emails which we send with attachments, the data of those new emails which we send to Parsio email addresses will be captured in Pabbly Connect. And after that, in Pabbly Connect, after receiving the attachment file details and their links, we will upload the attachment files to our pCloud storage so that we can create a backup in this automation using which whenever we will receive a new attachment as an email on our email address or Parsio email address, automatically the file with the attachment will be uploaded in our pCloud account. So let's begin. So here in trigger window in search app, we will search for Parsio. Just select it. Then after that, in trigger event from the drop down, we will select attachment received. After this, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Parsio account with Pabbly Connect. And how we are going to make this connection? We just have to enter the account credentials of our Parsio account. So enter your email address and password over here and then just click on save. So let me enter these details and connect my Parsio account. So guys, here I have entered my credentials, account credentials. Just click on save. And now we can see that our Parsio account gets connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the next thing it asks us is the mailbox. So in the drop down below, you can see I have only one mailbox in my Parsio account. Let me show you. So right now in my Parsio account, you can see new box is the only mailbox which I have created yet. So here from the drop down, we have to select that the mails from or the email attachment from which mailbox we want to get in Pabbly Connect. So select your mailbox and then just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, we can see that it has changed to waiting for response. Now this means guys, whenever we will receive a new mail in Parsio, we will receive the details of that mail and the attachments with it in Pabbly Connect. And Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response from Parsio. So what we are going to do, we are going to send a test mail, a test email to set up this automation to this email address which Parsio gave us. So what we are going to do, we are just going to go to our normal usual email address or our Gmail account and we are going to compose a mail. And we are going to send an email to this email address just to set up this automation. So by default, you must be knowing that All you have to do is you just have to forward all of your mails from your email account, whatever email service you use. You have to forward all of your mails from your email account to this email address. And then whenever your email account will receive an email, that same email will be forwarded to Parsio. And then using this, you will get the details and the attachment file details in Pabbly Connect. So I have entered the email address. Let's enter a subject line. For example, we are testing. So this is just a basic subject line. Hello Pabbly. We are just testing this trigger. Thank you. Regards. Okay, so after entering the details of some random dummy mail, we will be adding some attachments as well with this email. So let me put an attachment over here. So let me upload an attachment. We are just going to upload an attachment, an image of an attachment over here. Let's go to downloads and this is the image. Just open it. And guys, we are adding a file, an image file with this email. Let's click on send and the email is sent. So just now what we have done from our regular email address or Gmail account, we have sent to the email to this Parsio email address. And after that, because we have connected our Parsio account with Pabbly Connect, we will see the email which we have sent on this email address will be received in Parsio, as well as we will receive the details or the response of that email with the attachment file link in Pabbly Connect as well. And yes guys, as you can see, just now in Pabbly Connect, we have received some response. And in this response, we can see the attachment which we have sent via email to our Parsio email address is received. So here you can see guys, we have an email in Pabbly Connect over here. And in this email, we have the attachment which we have just now uploaded and sent. We have that attachment's name. So we have the file name and the download URL of the same image which we have sent. So guys, we have the response or the details or the data of attachment files of the email which we have received on our Parsio email in Pabbly Connect. We have the name of the file and the download URL. Just copy this download URL, paste it in a new tab, and we will see this file is downloaded. Let's open this file over here. And yes, this is the same image which we have attached with the email. This means guys, the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have received the response or the details of the attachment, the file attachment which is sent via email to our Parsio email. Now guys, what we have to do, we want to upload this file to our pCloud storage. How we can do that? Just scroll down and come to our action window. And here in choose app, search for pCloud. pCloud it is, just select it. And after that, in action event from the drop down, select upload file. So upload a file in folder. Just select this action event, click on connect and select add new connection over here. Now here guys, we have to connect our pCloud account with Pabbly Connect. And how we are going to make this connection? So to make this connection, we just have to enter the credentials, the login details of our pCloud account, like the email address, password, and the host name. So let me enter these details. And at last, it is asking us for the host name. Now here guys, how we are going to get the host name of our pCloud account. So the help text below says, enter pCloud data server host name here based on data region. If your region is United States, then you need to enter host name as api.pcloud.com. In case your data region is European Union, then you need to enter the host name as eapi.pcloud.com. So how we are going to find the data region? Let's go to our pCloud account. And after reaching our pCloud account, on the right side, just click on this profiles options and click on settings, accounts. After reaching to the account section, let's see where we find our region. So for example, let's search for, okay, so this is the data region and our data region of my pCloud account is United States. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this host name from here, which is given in the help text for United States, and paste it. And then just click on save. And that is it guys. We have successfully connected our pCloud account with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the next thing it asks us is the folder name. that in which folder in our pCloud account we want to upload this file. So right now in my pCloud account, I have three different folders. And out of all three of this, I want to upload the images or the attachments which I'm receiving on via email in Parsio in my pictures in this folder. So I will just open this folder and you can see right now in this folder, we don't have any image, we don't have any file. And I want the emails or the email attachments to be uploaded in this folder. So what we are going to do in Pabbly Connect from the drop down, we will see a list of all the folders which we have created in our pCloud account over here. So out of all of these folders, we will select the folder in which we want to upload the file. After selecting the folder, it is asking us for the file URL, that what is the URL of the file which we are going to upload. So we have received the file attachment URL from pCloud over here in this Pabbly Connect response. So here we have the download URL. And we are going to map this same URL over here in this file URL field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and in the drop down below, we can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Parsio in Pabbly Connect of receiving a new attachment. So out of all of these responses, select the response of download URL and map it. And it is mapped. After that, after the file URL, it is asking us file name. So we have also received the file name, the name of the file which we have received as file attachment in Parsio in Pabbly Connect, from Parsio and Pabbly Connect as well. So we will just map this same file name as well over here in this file name. Just click here and from the drop down below, select the response of file name. So after mapping these details, this data, just click on save and send test request. And now we can see that we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the file URL which we have mapped over here, basically the file which we have received as an email attachment on our Parsio email, is now uploaded on our pCloud storage. So let's check. We'll go to our pCloud account. And yes guys, here we can see that in the same folder, my pictures which we have selected, a new file has been uploaded. Earlier this folder was blank, but now we have an image file and this is the same image guys which we have sent via email to our Parsio email address from our regular Gmail account. This means guys, the automation which we are going to create is working perfectly fine. Now what we have to do, we just have to forward all of our email address from our Gmail account or from our regular email service provider to this Parsio email address. After that, all the attachments which we are receiving on our email address, all of those attachments using this automation will automatically gets uploaded in our pCloud account or pCloud cloud storage as well. So after setting up this automation guys, let's test this automation once again. Once again, I'll just copy my pCloud account's email address. Just give me a second. Let's go to the mailbox. This is the mailbox. And we can see the email the test email which we have sent over here. And after that, what we are going to do, we will once again go to a Gmail account, and this time once again we will send the email. So let me just enter the email address. Let's go to overview, copy this email address and paste it. This time the subject line will be, this is a real-time test. And then hello test 2. Thank you. So just a simple email guys, a simple dummy email which we are going to send. And now what we are going to do, this time let's suppose we are adding two images, two files with this email. Let's upload the attachment files. Upload. And yes, this time I will just upload these two files. Click on open and I am uploading or sending these two files as attachments with the email. Now let's click on send and the email is sent. Now we will notice that within few seconds, instantly automatically the image files which we have sent via email to our Parsio email address, automatically those image files using this automation will get uploaded in our pCloud storage. So let's wait for a few seconds over here. And yes guys, we can see that within few seconds, automatically these images are uploaded. And these are the same images which we have just now few seconds ago sent as an email attachment to our Parsio email. Now this means guys, the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine And we have tested this automation in real time as well. Now, every time we will receive a new file attachment in Parsio email address, automatically that attachment file will be uploaded as a new file in our pCloud storage. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use it for free. And also, Pabbly Connect comes with a forever free plan. And in this plan, Pabbly Connect offers you free tasks every month in your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.